what have I done? Oh, come on, I gotta get that out.
Bruh.
Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Oh, well, at least the magnets are in. All right, let's try to put it back together. And voila. Hey, it still works. All right, let's scramble it up and do a solve. Wait, what the heck? Why won't this turn? What the heck? Oh no, guys, it's stuck. Wait, this piece too? Oh, guys, I got it unstuck, but it snapped. Oh, what am I gonna do? Well, that does it. I'm never magnetizing a cube again. Stupid super glue.
Why does this always happen to me?